Welcome back, Hot Wheels and Diecast collectors. I've got Auto World. So this is 2022 release 3, which is the latest release. Obviously, we've had some delays this year for some of the castings for different places, Auto World being one. But this is version A and version B. And I haven't looked at these yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and open these. These just came in the mail today. I know they've been in stores. People have found them. I have not. I ordered full seal cases. So let's see what we get. There is the possibility of a chase, so let's see, maybe we're lucky. So this is, let's see, number 4. This is the 1975 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, and maybe this is not. So maybe it's this side. It is not. We'll just do this. We'll just go one case because they're not packed the same. So here's the version A. And we also have the 2017 Jeep JK Wrangler Chief Edition in yellow. Cool. I needed that one for sure. Here is the 64 Pontiac Grand Prix Royal Bobcat, Sunfire Red Poly. Also looks good. (2012) Ford Mustang GT California Special. It's all right. I wish they did add a little bit more detail. They put the blinkers on there. And there's the, yep, they added some more detail to the headlights instead of just making them silver. Those wheels look kind of new too. Cool. Okay with that. This is a big reason why I wanted to get these is the 1965 Ford GT40 Mark I. This is the one in silver. And the last out of the version A box is the 2019 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack in Tour Red. Although this looks way more orange than the red it's supposed to be, but okay. And so that's version A. Version B, same cars, just different colors, right? A second colorway. So this is also the RT Scat Pack, this time in Sublime. And come on out of there. The 2012 Ford Mustang GT California Special, this time in Yellow Blaze. Cool. Here is the Jeep Wrangler Chief Edition in Rhino. So it's like a very dark metallic gray. Here's the 1975 Cadillac Coupe de Ville in Firehorn Poly. Here is the 65 Ford GT40 Mark I in metallic blue. And the last one is the 64 Pontiac Grand Prix Royal Bobcat. So no chase for me today. That's all right. I am current on my Auto World though. Well, have you found these? Have you found any of the chases? Let me know in the comments below. And we'll talk to you next time.